Hi, Jonathan Hanford from Fine & Country. Today, I'm in North Leamington Spa and I'm at 58 Binswood Avenue. A substantial and beautifully renovated, Grade 2 listed, semi-detached Regency villa, lovingly restored by the current owners. Come inside and I'll tell you a little bit more about the property. We believe the property dates to circa 1830. On the ground floor, there is a drawing room, study, kitchen, breakfast room, dining room, utility room and cloakroom. Traditional features are evident throughout, including Tuscan pilasters to the front entrance, sash windows with functional shutters, cornicing, high skirting, moulded architraves, and there is even a crapper high-level WC. Local quality craftsman Christopher Peters has designed and fitted not only the kitchen breakfast room, but all the fitted furniture in the property. This includes the bespoke study, dressing room, en-suites, bathrooms, bedroom furniture, utility room and boot room. The property still retains its two separate staircases. On the first floor, the main bedroom has its own dressing room with bespoke wardrobes, providing hanging and shelving space. There is a 4-piece ensuite shower room. The second bedroom has a 3-piece ensuite, and there are 3 further double bedrooms, all with fitted furniture from Christopher Peters. The main bathroom is a 5-piece suite. Although the property has benefited from an overhaul to make it more conducive with modern living, the property has miraculously maintained so much of its original charm. On the lower ground floor, there is an entertainment suite with kitchenette, 2 double guest bedrooms, both of which have en-suites, cinema room, arts and craft room, cloakroom and boiler room. Although the property has benefited from an overhaul to make it more conducive with modern living, the property has miraculously maintained so much of its original charm. The lower ground floor, which has its own entrance, is a perfect annex for an extended family and with a small alteration could become a self-contained unit. To the rear of the property, there is an enclosed south-facing lawned rear garden. There are 2 separate sun terraces at 2 separate levels. The upper level is accessed from both the breakfast kitchen room and the dining room. The raised elevation of the upper terrace provides a perfect sanctuary beneath to accommodate the hot tub, which is also easily accessible from the entertainment suite on the lower ground floor. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you'd like more information or to book a viewing, you can contact me on my mobile number on 07813 787 474. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.